Hello everyone, I am Shanelle Wynne Estrada, and our discussion for today is Redefining the Greater Bay Area's Industrial Network and Spatial Distribution, published on July 15, 2021 by Silvia, Zeng. In June, JLL published a report redefining the Greater Bay Area's network and spatial distribution. So they starting by analyzing spatial patterns of urban development before delving deeply into the GBA's future industrial network from several angles, including clusters, belts, and industrial nodes. The GBA leads the country in terms of economic development. It has a diverse industrial structure with agglomeration advantages and economic complementarity between industries and occasions. Hong Kong and Macau have highly developed services sectors, while the 9 cities of the Pearl River Delta have strong foundation in advanced manufacturing and modern services. Increasingly, these cities have a growing focus on strategic emerging industries such as next-generation information technology, biomedicine, high-end equipment manufacturing, new materials, new energy vehicles, and more. As seen from the picture, the hotspots are located in the city of Enping, Taishan, and Hoi Dong, which indicates of the two wings of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. We focus on the double ring development mode of the GBA, the outer ring, comprising the Guangzhou Shenzhen Science and Technology Innovation Corridor, the East Ring, and the Advanced Equipment Manufacturing Industrial Belt on the west bank of the Pearl River. The 5 development nodes connect to form a semicircular development axis around the bay. Driven by modern services, industries, and advanced manufacturing units, this industrial development axis is planned to become a new economic growth engine for the GBA, integrating both secondary and tertiary sectors. At the same time, the newly introduced modern services industries in the inner ring will drive further growth of peripheral manufacturing nodes. Helped by the increased density of road and metro network, the economic boundary of the cities has continued to expand outward, and core cities in the GBA are increasingly open to the concept of developing multiple CBDs. The geographic locations of these new centers should satisfy one of the following conditions. First, the intersection of GBA's access and city's concentric zone. Second, the intersection of GBA's access with the city's access. Or third, intermediate nodes between the outer and inner rings. As related nodes grow, the interaction between industries will affect the GBA's industrial network, leading to a regional hub for the high-tech industry. Led by core cities and connected with key infrastructure, a rainbow belt of interactions between industries with multiple major nodes is emerging across the GBA. If we also take the multi-centric development strategy of core cities into account, we believe that nodes in these regions, including the eastern part of Guangzhou and Qianhai in Shenzhen, will experience strong inter-industry interaction as they develop. Meanwhile, with advantages such as greater economies of scale and cost-effective transportation, the industrial scale of these nodes will grow more quickly, resulting in increased demand for carrying such expansions. Furthermore, as technology is applied to other industries, the GBA will lead the country in terms of interactions between industries. As industries scale up and build their networks, all nodes are expected to develop their own growth engines. This further strengthens the existing competitive advantages of the GBA, enabling high-end industries to foster in this geographical area.